Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw another Digimon character, and this one is called SEADRAMON. Now, after looking at this, the SEADRAMON character really kind of looks like Manda from the Godzilla series. So I'm starting to kind of think that maybe some of these Digimon characters definitely had some resemblances or got some of their ideas from looking at all the different Godzilla kaiju. But anyway, it's still a really cool character to draw. Now, to start off with SEADRAMON, we want to begin with the face. So we're going to start up here, and we're going to make the eye. So we're going to start with the eyebrow and just draw a little line that just kind of curves up like this. Next, you're going to make two lines that go down, and they're just going to connect right here. He almost has like a little bit of like a snake pupil. And then I'm just going to kind of color in this area on the side a little bit darker. Now, right up here by the head, you want to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then it's going to kind of curve down again to make like almost like a beak shape. Then we're going to draw this line back to about there. Right here, I'm going to put a little bump for the other spot where the eye would be. And then right here, you just want to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come to a very sharp point. It's going to be really skinny and kind of curve back. Another one right here, not quite as long. And then one right here that does the same thing. A little curved line here, a little curved line here. And then a couple little curved lines right there. And a line that goes down and curves up. Then a little line that goes out, comes back. And then one more right here. Next, we're going to make a line that goes out and it's going to curve back. For the mouth, just draw a little line that's just going to go down. Then bring it back up here. Little line right here with a couple little extra lines in there. The tongue is just going to kind of curve a little bit, come to a point, and then come back here. And then make a little line that curves up for the mouth. Then we're going to add, he has really sharp teeth, so just a few kind of sharp teeth in there. And then I'm actually just going to make this eye a little bit bigger. It's kind of bothering me, so I want to make it just a little bit bigger around there. Then we get to start on the body, and the body's going to be a little bit tricky. So the first thing we want to do is actually start up here on the back of the head. So when we draw this, we want to start here, make a line that's just going to curve to about here. Then we're just going to add a little line that comes out. It's going to come to a point, and then it's going to curve back for like a little flipper. Then starting here, draw a line that just kind of curves down. It's going to come up to here and then swing around here. Now, I want to leave a little bit of space here. And I'm going to keep it really skinny, and then just slowly, as I get to here, I'm going to start making it a little bit wider. A little line that goes out, and then it's going to curve back. Then starting here, I'm going to continue this, just kind of slowly making it bigger and bigger. And then when I get to here, I'm just going to keep it really wide. And then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller as I come back to here. And you'll see why in just a minute. So we left it kind of wide here because this is where the body really kind of starts to turn. So before we do any details, let's add the flipper. So we're going to make a line that curves out and then just comes to a point and comes back, very similar to this one. And then right here, I'm going to add a little line that goes down and up. And then there's going to be a small little flipper right there. Now, we're going to start by making a line that's going to curve here and it's going to come right down to here. So you want to make a nice big curved line. It's going to go right to here. Then when we start here, we're going to make a line. It's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to come to this little flipper. Then it's just going to pop out here and then run right to there. Now, right here, I'm going to make this really, really skinny. And there's almost kind of like a leaf shape here. So a nice line that's going to kind of curve and come out. Another one here, it's going to go up and then come right down. Up here, there's going to be two little spikes. So a little one here and then another little one right there. It's going to be a little line that ends right about there. And then a little curved line right here for a stripe. It's going to be another stripe here. One right before this fin, and then one right after it. And then another small one right here. One of the last steps is to add the little scales onto SEADRAMON. So we're just going to add some of these scales with some curved lines. And we're just going to kind of keep curving these around. All the way around here. And you just want to kind of follow the curve of his body. And you can see how they're kind of changing a little bit. Put them a little bit closer together as you get down here. Then I'm just going to add a couple little quick details on here by the fins and the little flippers, just to give it a little bit of texture and a little bit more detail. There's also going to be a couple quick little lines here. It's almost going to really look like a leaf. And there you go. There is your drawing of SEADRAMON. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.